Yung milk nila, sobrang maliit lang talaga. And then, yung pinakamaraming sa ratio nila, siguro mga nasa 80% pa siya, 20% milk. You can taste the yung medyo earthy na lasa kasi sobrang concentrated yung lasa talaga. I love it.
Okay, this is 30. Sarap.
What is it?
All police cars.
What's that?
Tesla.
Huh?
Tesla.
And then, what's yours? Why is yours just that?
Gusto ko police cars eh.
Huh?
Police cars.
I can't see.
Yung police dati.
I can't. Wait.
Ay, hindi
Are
siya.
those different?
Yeah.
Parang naman pare-pareho lahat.
Eh, syempre, police. Isa lang logo nila.
That's one. Tama ba?
Yung tour guide natin. Ay, hindi alam talaga. Ay, wala na rin sa tour. Lagi na lang po dito tayo bababa kasi ang tayo naman.
The next stop is Asakusa, V11. Please change here for the Toei OSR line.
Other side ata doon. Okay. So ito nga. Shizu. Ah. Okay, go Moyer. Mic up closer.
I don't know which one I want. Oh, I broke the whole thing. It's fine. Oh no. Why is it so hard to open? I don't think they're opening it. I know.
Yun is Laura!
Wow.
Inside the bag. It's inside the bag.
Hide and seek.
Cute.
I'm
Can you restart?
Show it to the boy. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay, you.
Yeah, this didn't go first.
What is it?
This is a precious spot.
Does it fit?
Is it the same one that she has?
Huh?
Kimi, Arnella got the secret.
What? I got the secret.
Arnella got the secret.
Chestnut
I got a secret.
That's the secret. That's the secret.
Secret. Yo!
We got a secret.
Secret! Finally, I get a secret.
We got a secret.
Okay, you.
Oh my gosh, you take a picture. And you're
Okay, move
keeping
here,
it.
move here. Move here, move here. Moira, move
Really,
here.
you're so lucky.
Moira, here.
Bye-bye.
Move close.
Yuri.
Oh, Serenity.
Wait, is this secret?
The one you look at.
Ah!
It's like you're looking
You like? I know. Yeah?
Nelly got the secret.
Yay!
Picture.
After you do the opening. Oh, after? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Close your eyes after you.
Oh my gosh! That's the one I wanted you to get. Actually, that's the one I wanted. Actually, that's the one I wanted you to get. Remember?
That's Tigger.
Hello. Today we are exploring, just the two of us for the most part. And right now we are gonna go to Meiji Jingu, which is a temple. And that's gonna be around Harajuku. And yeah, after that I'm gonna go to Hey, something Heiji. Basta. Yeah, near Roppongi. Okay. See you guys later. Very humid here, and my kilikili is crying. What? My kilikili is crying. It's so humid, but it's better than super sunny, so it's okay.
It's a long walk towards the main shrine, guys. So, ito yung main shrine dito. Dito kami banda. And galing kami doon. So, medyo mahaba-habang lakad siya, but it's fine. It's all trees. And madami nga lang siyang tao as expected kasi tourist area naman talaga siya. Pero maganda yung walk. Ito na yung main shrine. Pwede siyang daanin dun sa kabila. Yung pinakita namin sa inyo na map. But, dumaan kami sa shortest route. But, ito yun. Ito yung shrine. So, dito sa area na to guys, meron din silang cafeteria. May mga kainan din sila. And may mga washrooms na doon. Yun lang yung kaganda. Yun din yung isa sa pinaka maganda. yun din yung isa sa pinaka maganda. Kasi, sorry. I mean, maganda naman dito. Everywhere dito. Maraming hindi ka ma-worry sa washrooms. Hindi ka ma-worry sa kainan. Because they think of everything. They put a lot of thought sa mga lahat ng andito.
So our next stop is, I don't recall the name, another shrine near Roppongi. So yeah.
Hingang.
There's so many stairs. So many stairs.
Okay.
I think that's where we're going. So clean here. So clean. Cool, right? Cool, right?
Guys, I pulled a secret. A Hirono secret. It's my first one ever. And the rarity is 1 in 144.
That's it.
Oh my goodness. It's the best one.
Marami yun eh. Walo ate.
Crazy.
Walo yun, di ba? Takoyaki love.
Amaya, how's your ice cream? I'm gonna find it.
Give me my...
The shopping floors from the first to fifth floors.
This is how they close stores with a net. Just net. No doors. No gates. Just a cover. That's crazy. Wow.
Tapos sabi namin kanina. What?
Go vlog. I won't look at it until I edit it. Go.
How do I turn it around?
You press it 3 times.
I bet.
And then to stop recording, this one to start again.
I'm going to the washroom. It's almost done.
Is it closing?
Yeah.
Daddy! Say some stuff.
Bronzy.
What's her name?
Bronson. Or Apping.
I'm not apping. I'm not apping. No. I'm going around. I'm gonna walk around. Disney's closed. They're all over there. Let's zoom out a little bit. I wanna look at the toys. Let's go to Uniqlo. They're still open. Uniqlo's still open. Ooh. Wait, the t-shirts are actually kind of tough. Wait, these are actually tough. These tees are actually tough. They're all over there. I'm on my way there. I have a bag. I'm gonna go buy something because I have 1,000 yen. So, yeah. I know how to zoom in. What are you doing?
I have to floss because things get stuck in my teeth.
Oh, I guess stuck in your teeth. Do you both wear Invisalign?
Wait, what?
Do you both wear Invisalign?
Do I build it?
Yeah, do you both wear it?
Yeah.
After Grace is here. I'm gonna go to the toys. Mom, I'm gonna go to the toys over there. There's toys. Or I'm gonna go to Uniqlo. I'll be back. Uniqlo. No, it's not closed. Yeah, this camera's aura. Camera's pure aura. Walk in Uniqlo. Check out some new stuff. Oh yeah?
This store is
Oh, my bad. My bad, G. Oh, my dad was right. Well, so that's closed. I know something that's not closed. I don't know. My hotel's not closed. Okay, I'm recording a random guy. My bad ding. Okay, that's the end. Are you going home now? 2 in the afternoon? We're leaving at 2 in the morning? Yay, we're going down the escalator.
I'm going to the airport at 2. It's not going anymore, but I'm going.
Let's buy a snacky. I'm gonna go buy a snacky. Where are we going? Are we buying a snack? Potato chippy. No. We're going home now. This camera's good. Let's see if I turn it. Look, if I go like this, easy. Let's see if I bend forward. Ice cream. I want some ice cream. I always want some ice cream. Whoa, G. Whoa, gang, everyone. But just tracking where the people are. There's a what?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I want to go homing.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I want to go homing. That kid's aura. You should come to Canada.
Train station.
We're going to the train station. Whoa! Whoa! I want to get one. I wanting to get you wanting.
Are you vlogging about money?
I don't know. Let's check for a good store. It's still open. I want to go. I want to go getting something. Oh my goodness, they're getting something. Why are you guys? Ooh, 2,000 yen, 20 bucks for it. That is a horrible. Look at my mom's new jeans. Mom, did you just get your new jeans yesterday? I want the snacking. Can you buy me something to snacking? My mom has a lot of the snacking. Gems, bracelets, acelets. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about games. First of all, Roblox, top 1. Minecraft, top 2. Minecraft's top 2 because I don't have the real version. But, I don't know. It still works. I can download any mod. We downloaded a gun mod. I downloaded a gun mod that's really fun. Bye. Oh, can I get one?
What do you want?
I want it.
Ikaw, what do you want? Wait. So, isa kay Melly, ano?
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte too?
Yeah.
I'm sharing with Ate Grace.
We share the
Share na lang with Daddy. What do you want?
I'm getting the matcha
We share
latte.
together.
What about share with Kuya
Okay,
Moy?
not sharing.
Okay, I'm gonna share with
What the? Let's check what I got on my phone. First of all, on my phone, we got Ethan.
Okay lang
What
ba?
do you
May
want?
pambayad ako.
A matcha latte. I just want a dragon
Apat na ba?
latte.
Oh my gosh, And tita.
Lima.
Let's see if I can
Tama
open a
ka.
Pokemon pack.
1, 2, 3, 4, up.
Hopefully, I have internet to open a Pokemon pack. Yes, I can open a pack. Okay. Lock in Diddy Blood. Okay, we're gonna open Mega Shine. 1 pack. Easy. Skip 9 hours of our time. Okay, we have to lock in. We're gonna do the secret method. Look for any flaws. Okay, I'm bored. I'm gonna spin it. Okay. Okay, but oh my god. Potato chip. Oh my god. Easy. That is all luck. And a Mew to end it. That is aura. Holy McAura-ness. That is all aura. Let me take all of that aura. Okay. Let's go get a seat. Let's go get a seating where I can seating down. Let's see if I can open one more pack. No. Okay, let's check my Pokemon cards. So we got a Vaporeon, mint condition, nice illustration art. Let's scroll down to all our good ones. Here's all our, no, these are illustration arts. This one you can't tap. This one's my favorite. This is my favorite card because look, see, you can go in a little animation. Littling animation. I'm just gonna skip it because, yeah. And then this is what Carmela got, a Mega Charizard EX. This is my second favorite. No, this is my second favorite. It's like me, I like candy. And this is I kind of forgot what it was. This is the Mega Charizard. There's 4 Charizards. Charmeleon, I kind of forgot the other one's name. Charizard and Mega Charizard. Yeah, see, look at this animation. I think I know its name. I just need to go somewhere. I need to go to all the fire types. I don't know, I'm not pronouncing that. I don't know, let's gamble. So we're gonna get up to that. Ooh, let's see if we can get the full art. I think it's right here, Chatter. No, Chatter is not here. At least we got another index. Skip it. Next. Where was it? It was in the most obvious place. Okay. I don't know what that is, but okay. These are all booty. Sucks. Let's play cat. Let's play a cat game. I take him. Alright, see you guys later. Hopefully they like my Pokemon video. He's like grass.
It's legit matcha. Oh, ano?
Ano ba? Ano ang pag... Saan ba pupunta lahat?
Namimili ba kayo?
Uwi na.
Carmela, baka bumagsak ka.
Bukas na lang. Pupunta. Kasi gusto ko sandwich lang bukas.
How do I make it go up? Going.
I know, that's what I want. Grabe.
Ate Kim, how do you make it go? Ate Kim, how do you make it go? Look straight up.
Nakita dyan. Kasi maaga rin tayo.
No, straight up.
Kainin na natin kung ano yung pagkain doon.
Carmela.
Whoa, look at the towie weird.
Magkita na lang tayo later. Sila kayo mag-try na.
Whoa, look.
Alam mo ba to?
Look at the tower.
Melly, are you coming? Uy, see you tomorrow, di ba?
Hindi na
The thing is so beautiful. I'll bring it down. I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna bring it up.
Bibigyan niyo ng barya yun para makauwi na yun, no?
I'm gonna bring it up. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks.
Dali mo, lumalamig eh. Wala kang jacket.
Bye, ma. Bakit bukas naman magkikita na? Hindi kayo pupunta bukas, no? Pupunta kami bukas. Thank you very much.
Huh?
May bag ako dito ng plastic.
Oh, that's weird.
Meron ako reusable bag. Garbage. Ay, ako na. Pauwi mo na ito magkita. Hindi na. Mami, uwi mo na ito, ma'am.
How you doing, Mom?
I'm good. I'm cool.
You're cold now. How are you? Are you coding?
No.
Daddy, you're not coding. Not even coding.
Si Granny gusto na.
I got my. Oh,
Si Granny Goose. Teka. Granny Goose. Parang yung magamit niya kasi dala-dala.
I got the matcha.
I'm ready.
Macho.
My perfume.
Machi. What are you done?
I don't have my scarf eh.
Oh, Mom looks like a grandma. I'm cold.
What's your new name?
Bronson. Bronzy.
And AKA
Abeng.
what? AKA what?
Abeng.
What's that?
Tapos nito.
Abeng.
Apong.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Take care.